Hey guys, it's Burnsies RT and welcome to the channel. So today what I want to do is I want to share with you guys a product that I came across online on Amazon. What it is, it's an airbox cover for your stock intake. So I don't particularly like the styling or the way that this airbox cover looks. However, what I thought about is I wonder if it would be a perfect fit over an open or exposed short ram intake. So, you know, like your air raids or potentially your Mopar. I mean, we all know that our engine bays get heat soaked. And, you know, part of that heat in some of those open designs come in through the top of the opening. So, you know, I know that with a short ram air intake, you know, a lot of times you're buying it for the sound. But what if you took this this air intake cover, or the airbox cover, and placed it and sealed it over your open exposed short ram intake air filter? You know, what this could potentially do is shield it from some of the unwanted heat from your engine bay. So here really quick is this airbox cover. So as you can see, it fits perfectly over the stock airbox of the Dodge Chargers, Challengers, 300s. So, you know, like I was saying before, what if you were able to insulate the inside of that, or potentially the outside if you want to go that route, and just placed it over that, over the top or over the opening? Would it protect you, and would it yield better air intake temperatures? So, you know, I just figured I would, you know, point this product out and see if any of you guys could, you know, are potentially interested in maybe trying something out. So that's all I got for you today. Just wanted to share that with you guys, and, you know, maybe it'll strike up some conversation or potentially give someone some ideas. So I'll leave you guys with that, and have a great rest of the week. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll talk to you guys all soon. Take care.